Right here on Power.
Chicken slice. Hey, hey. Paketi riri kupisa. Riri kukonzeraru shakara wa measure. Chicken slice. Mapisi 8 kwete fake. Mukati me paketi riri papiki. Changu chirauro chanonga nyama pandati attack. Chicken slice. Jamaica sense. Chicken slice ndo evidence. Rapida pacha panzi party tense. Uyai muone majenzi. Paketi ndiro razunguza. Patenga ndina chipanguza. Riri kupisa iri riri hot. Chiuya chipure shot. Iro Sigi Ruma Mka Munori guta Nati munori guta Chicken slice Ruma Mka Munori guta Nati munori guta
Chicken slice, I love it.
Chicken slice, I love it. Good morning, Zimbabwe, and welcome to this brand spanking new program right on Power FM Zimbabwe, sponsored by Chicken Slice. I love it. You can go through on our Facebook page, Power FM Zimbabwe. We are live right now. It's called Chicken Slice or Box. We've got extra large in the studio.
Maroja muriboere. Mchasvika rini pawanzi marumurwa musiri maroja. Mwari asi kukublessa kusvika pamalevels ekuite dzimba dzenyu.
Takatoblesswa kosta malendo dzekuboisa.
Oh, so you've graduated from being Roger to
Amalendo de Boy Scout.
So when are you going to move into the main house?
Tikatongwana mari nokwana kana even kutenga imba yedu kana move mu main house kana tongogara tabhadhira rent kuna lendo zvatiri zvozo.
It's called Chicken Slice or Box. This is a game where for you either you go for the meals cases of Chicken Slice or you go for the box and we see what's inside the box.
Shumba.
Yes, Shumba.
Usakangana mpano tombo break. Tema breaking rights. Call me Ambassador Patsani.
Yeah, from today onwards please don't call me Tinashe. I'm Ambassador Tinashe Chikuse.
Ambassador Patsani Sivana.
And you can only find me at any chicken slice, pizza slice, or slice, grill, and burger. That's where you can find me.
Kuzoba mnandi, kuzoba liti. Uyabona ungangena ma chicken slice amaningi uzothola zikhona kube koBulawayo kube Harare kube ngaphi. Lapho kule chicken slice khona uzothola zikhona. I love it.
Yebo yes. Maroja chimbo shamura inesithi bona. It's been a long time. It's been a span. Mombo shamura inesithi. It's been a long time. We need to see how good you were from the yesteryears.
Still are.
Yeah. So let's see how it goes. Just before we get into the present day, so for you to play the game, that's exactly what we want us to play this morning. Let's see how it goes. Do you still remember this?
Ndinoda kushamula newe mudiwa ndinoda kuvaya newe bose bandiri ndinoda kugara newe ka baby ndinoda kufamba newe
Unondipa manyemwe
ndozviro vadundundu
nekuti
iwe ndiwe
rudo rwangu apa kuti moyo muti wako wakamera
pane rinozijaya
watichi
nasi ndofara ndinoda kushamula newe mudiwa ndinoda kuvaya newe bose bandiri ndinoda kugara newe ka baby ndinoda kufamba newe
a song yenye bwa size no.
Why so? Why were you guys lying?
Iskiri kuye kutora mape no mutiji iwe mskana ukandida chakutora ndokurojera mundege zvese zvaunoda mari ndokupa musikana utenge miniskirt hipster pedo pusha zvichauya kane gonyeti iwe mskana ukandida chakutora ndoku inzwanzwe manje yo baby uri kuona matawalaiti esa nema-public toilet esa ndini ndo amanager ini plus kumba kwedu manje kune mushini unobhendesa mabhanana nemunyowano uda kuziyera da baby nokuchichipisa tutu mayoko mumazai kumba kwenyu pari patransport usagaye baby nekufamba netsoka nekumakombi ese akanzi commuter omnibus ndekudeni kwangu commuter. Inini ndiri omnibus one. Saka ufambe netsoka baby.
Ndinoda kushamula newe mudiwa, ndinoda kuvhaya newe, ndinoda kugara newe ka baby, ndinoda kufamba newe, ndinoda kutoshamula newe, kutovhaya newe ka ndinoda kutogara newe, kutovamba newe ka wepamoyo, ndinoda kutoshamula newe, kutovhaya newe ndinoda kutogara newe, kutovamba newe ndidenda nayo chicken slice jamani.
Hapa kadara uramu.
Ndinoda kuvhaya newe,
Pose pandiri.
Ndinoda kugara newe ka baby, ndinoda kufamba newe.
Extra large right here on this brand spanking new program, proudly brought to you by Chicken Slicer. I love it.
Yevi tapindira mgemu shumba. Murise kumaroja.
Aiwa.
Manga matora sabatika uchichange chitika kumaroja. Tukona madzorwa nasi ne chicken slice kuti uyaiti mbotaura maroja. Chichange chitika.
Amaroja anenge ariko kuona kuti chichine kana muri kutereska semunhu mukuru unombovheta. Waibata. Isu tiri maambassador ekuboy sky. Ndazwa muchizvita
ambassador chicken slice.
Sake chimbovheta playing field kuti irido kuatakwa nepapi.
Heavy.
Chironga formation wise.
Pane zvinyanzo takatarisira pamaroja.
Yes, tomorrow we're dropping a brand spanking new album. Iroro rakaita kuzara, rakaita kuloada, really overloaded.
Saka munokwanisa kushare panapa pa chicken slice. Satita ranzikika kwese.
So varikutanga zvinzwa panapa. So album redu kuna vamwe yese katikumbura kuti vambokiya the way anditi because album redu rinonzi abnormal load. You know it is kana uchi abnormal load inotofamba ine escort. Saka taita escort kwa chicken slice. Kuti vanhu
Okay, let's play the game here. We don't want to waste much time. 22 minutes before the news at 9. Slice or box. These are the boxes that we've got. You can see them on our Facebook page. There's SLICE to make slice. We want you guys, either you pick a box or you go for a meal. We're going to start from the meals, from the chicken slice, the regular chips, or the box. You take a pick.
Muri maroja tangaimaita ngini
chidotangata chitaura pa Mike German gaya ikuti ndisu maroja malandlord abva atiurayira huku
makakosha kudaro
takakosha
saka
pakunzi slice of books I think they're taking advantage of that maroja angara ine nzara
avabige
Okay, pick a box here. Let's see. Which one are you picking?
Box resera muri kuona rine something.
All right, ini nangu uri kuona kuti pakati extra large anti pama letters yesari papa. Pane 2 ma letters aripo. There's L, then there's E pana extra large. So I think kwandiri ndikuoneswa pamweya kuti mune 2 aya kaya.
Extra large. But pick one.
Jimmy.
Ine nokona kuti ukona imachena kudhara neheti white.
Imachena for extra large.
All right, we up the game. Large chips or box?
Today we buy my large chips.
Oh, you take a box. And then we open that box and we see what's inside that box. What's inside is what you get. And you don't get the meal. Make a choice, guys. You want to go for the meal or you want to go for the box? One slice or box?
One slice.
One slice or box? Regular. All right, two slice or box? Two slice or box? Take a box. Take a box. Which box are you taking?
They want an E.
You want an E?
Yeah.
Okay.
Varikotka tichikafu nome. Yo, hauna basa rechikafu kozvakasimba kudhara. Inrisland.
Shumba. Rega tivawedzere chikafu vangokwira kawanda.
Ngatimbopa meal yana shumba.
Todzokera pa regular chips or box. Tobva takuti ne lion meal or box.
Regular chips
ne box. Tabata isa lion meal. Kana kuti box renyuna iyi. Chicken slice.
Which one are you picking?
No man.
No man what she.
Jimmy, what
Jimmy?
So you sticking to the box.
Shumba regati wedzere.
Okay, we up the meal.
Guys.
Let's go up for the meal. Chicken slice or box. Which one are you going for? Which one? Are you still sticking to the box?
But lion slice at offer kumana in a former pieces mazi wombe.
Whatever you want. Okay, fine.
Rekatwedzera right. Shumba, ngatiti sisu extra large maroja. Topinda pa lion meal ndiye former piece ya. Toti lion meal. Tobata kuwedzerai. Tobatati medium pizza. Lion meal the medium pizza or box.
Which one are you going for? Lion meal or medium pizza? Carrots of chicken slice
or box.
Kona namanakira nta slice.
Mdara isati is medium mdara.
Which one are you going for? Live on our Facebook page Power FM Zimbabwe.
Chimbotora mafoni mairi matatu. Tinzoti vanokubatsira vanoti totora 3 mafoni.
I'm to the box.
Box. Huh? No mar. Jimmy.
Ndakaonda mana ndeda kudya kuti ndika.
Okay. So Norman, you're going for the box and you're going for the meal. But you have to take one because
maybe
okay, give us a call on 49652 and 54. The password is chicken slice. I love it.
Yeah. Chicken slice.
I love it.
So your words in a papi.
Boys, no problems of no butter box here.
We give you time as we take the calls. So discuss then whatever you want.
Yeah.
Let's go on the line. Good morning on Power FM. Mamuga say chicken slice. I love it. What advice are you giving these guys? Should they go for the chicken slice or they go for the box?
Maroja big.
Especially mabajura. But also not
box. That's a box, oh man.
One phone box.
Because box
49652 and 54. Slice or box. 17 minutes before 9. Good morning on Power FM.
Hey, hello.
Chicken slice.
Yes.
I love it.
Sure.
Box. What advice are you giving them? Box or the slice?
Marujandini books, boys.
20 box.
33 calls, boys.
No, this is the second call now.
But two at the box. Mathematically.
Good morning on Power FM. Hello, may you reduce the volume of your radio so we can hear you?
Hello?
Yes, good morning. How are you? Chicken slice?
Good, and you?
Chicken slice?
Chicken slice, I like it.
I love it. What's your advice to the guys?
Kumananga wangu tura zako mirubozi.
Shumba, iwo usati waenda. Shumba, takuda kupa maroja a bucket. Toba tati bucket ne pizza or box. Bucket
pizza
ne medium pizza
or box.
No man akaguta mana. Mukono
Jimmy, what do you want?
Indiro chikafu chamari. Mukono kuti pa chikafu apa ka.
Ine nokona kuti ndinoda kuexplora. Pfungwa dzangu kuti mune box.
You know what? When we talk,
say muri to offer chikafu chese.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Why you should why if I was going to give you an advice to go for the box for the meal?
Because it's definite.
Chicken slice. Hey. Paketi riri kupisi. Riri kukonzeraru shakara wa measure. Chicken slice. Mapisi 8 kwete shefek. Mukati me paketi riri papiki. Changu chirauro chanonga nyama pandati attack. Chicken slice. Jamaica sense. Chicken slice do evidence. Rapida pacha panzi party tense. Uyai muone majenzi. Paketi ndiro razunguza. Tenga ndina chipanguza. Riri kupisa iri riri hot. Chiuya chipure shot. Shiro Sigi Ruma Mka Munori guta Nati munori guta Chicken slice Ruma Mka Munori guta Nati munori guta
Chicken slice. I love it.
I love it too. 14 minutes before 9, extra large in the studio on the Brent Spanking new program every Wednesday, 8:30 to 9 o'clock. Proudly brought to you by Chicken Slice. It's called Slice or Box.
Ambassador. Ambassador
Patsani.
Ambassador Chikuse. Maroja muri kwaudza utatore chi.
Guys,
slice or box. I love it.
I love it too. I love it, guys.
Iori inini. Inini ndiri iwewe. Kudara.
Guys, take a choice.
Right.
A box or a bucket with mega chips, or you go for the box, including a medium pizza?
I'm sticking to the box. Ndichitemba kuti timu redu riri paFacebook ka riri kusimbisa kuti box ka. Mira timu redu paFacebook ka riri kuti box ka zvikaenda nepamwe ka tofanira kusangana pa chicken slice yepana Samora
na 7th
na 7th. Boga batichaira zvatinenge tapotsa.
Okay, so one more time. So tell us, imimi murima kuzotwe zitari kuti extra large nakabva bokuita sei? Kana kuzostima Roger.
Maroja ndimakatipa after tagadzira song inonzi Roger. Anyway, isusu ratakazvipa rekuti Extra Large. It was because we didn't want to be just any other youthful upcoming group. We wanted to be more than a household name. So hence the name Extra Large, and like they say, the power of the tongue. Maroja akazouya vaita Extra Large Roger. Waibata.
You know what, Shumba? Inendo twa consider sema pioneers a genre.
Yeah, say that again.
They are the pioneers. Atangoti music yedu geto kuchitanga kuchirira. They were there. They are still there, and they will always be there.
But we've got an opportunity here as Chicken Slice, and on Power FM Zimbabwe. Ambassador Sibanda.
Michael Chiwara, anyona mabox mangani and Michael Chiwara.
5,000.
Guys, a gentle reminder, medium pizza, including a bucket and mega chips. No patava.
Okay, tuutichi?
Medium pizza and a bucket plus mega chips.
Yeah, mega chips if
yes.
Kana kuti box.
You heard it first right here on Slice or Box. This is a brand new one from Extra Large. Magaita mega the song.
No. Song atina kuita tag. Song we incorporated the forces of military touch. It features the legendary Ja Praise.
Wow.
Living legend.
And what's the name of the song?
It's called Maskodogo.
This is hot and fresh off the kitchen. This is hot and fresh off the kitchen.
Ramboru kurboshkwe matambira ai wakwenda ndimasi hanzi pa dance flow wavasi yavarizi unopisa iwe saka bebe unondichendi chakutera tera nemubvura tiriti tumerere mwana tumerere tia
Chicken slice.
Hey. Baketi riri kupisha. Riri kukonzera ruzhagara wamezha. Chicken slice. Mapisi 8 kwete zvefeki. Mukati mebhaketi riri papiki. Changu chirauro chanonga nyama pandati attack. Chicken slice. Zvameka sense. Chicken slice ndo evidence. Rapida pacho panzi pari tense. Uyai muone majenzi. bhaketi ndiro razunguza tatenga ndina chibhanguza riri kupisa iri riri hot chiuya chibhure shot iro sigi ruma mka munori guta nati munori guta chicken slice ruma mka munori guta nati munori guta
Chicken slice. I love it.
Chicken slice, I love
Wachiri
it.
wazee chinyuwa njajo.
Maskodobo.
Chatanga kurira mzimbabwe pano.
Pana.
Power FM. Chompisa.
Chicken slice. I love it. We don't deal with stars, we deal with superstars. That's why they are extra large. Okay.
Time ticking away for Reinhard Fabish. Remember those days?
Yeah.
Time ticking away for Reinhard Fabish.
Will the guys be coming back on the ground?
Yes.
Will they be able to score?
Oh my God, Zimbabwe.
I've got Ambassador Swanda with me in the studio here. Ambassador, should they go for the bucket or they go for the box? What's your take? Box or the buckets?
For the last time.
Inini
18 mapisi.
Pananda daughter chinja.
18. Eh?
Ugona tichi.
What more would you want?
Shumba, 18 or wedzera because she.
Do not now.
8 must piece must wumbi.
Hey, what more would you want?
Tavati ne pizza. Tavati bucket topa ine pizza. Pamsoro pe pizza.
Medium pizza.
Nema chips. Tukukupai.
Box ripo iro man.
Mubox mine zvakawanda zvatakaisa. Unogona kuchansa phone.
Unogona kuchansa TV.
Unogona kuwana box risina chinhu.
Unogona kuwana chinhu tukaenda naro iri box.
Woman ari kugaya. Okay.
Ini ndanda kutombochinja brand ndichiti box but ndazonzwa Enzo achiti box rinozo chi saka ukona kuti ai ndoda chikafa.
Eh? Ngomana, it's your moment.
Nanga nchida box but what Muroti bese ndokona kuzoenda ndichizira chi. Kana kuti ndopesa ndazotenga chikafu chacho ini.
Okay.
Ndopesa ndazotengeswa chikafu chacho ini. Saka
chikafu is certain. But I'll tell you this, my box said also. That's like because we don't do small. We do big say chicken slice. Lokuti isusu mbox munogona nge mune phone. Mbox munogona nge mune TV. Mbox unogona kushaya. Unogona kusangana nema chips chete. Wasiyazi ku box.
Hanzi mune rimwe box munogona kuwana muine kana 250 liters of petrol.
Dai mati tiri kuti tiri maroja. Dai mati stand tatiwirira.
chimene ndikudzei zvimwe zvinhu zviri setted. Tikatora box kana risina chinhu anditi zvimwe zvinhu zviri setted ndezvekuti ndikunotengeswa chikafu. Saka
so agree. Itai ngini 1 minute. Ngini.
1 minute, just 1 minute for you.
Ngini. Extra large.
1 minute for you, 1 minute for you. This is the brand new program, proudly brought to you by Chicken Slice. Right here
pa Facebook, box. Pa Facebook, varuchi ngotudze ukawani pa Facebook. Vatore Millie atava offer or box.
Let's go on our WhatsApp platform as well. 0712831172. Tell them, write down on our WhatsApp
box
platform.
Or meal.
Box
Chicken
or meal.
Slice choppy sage. I love
Let's go. Write it down on our WhatsApp platform. Give them advice, Zimbabwe. Give them advice. Give extra large. Box or slice, the meal. Box or the meal. Which one should they take? Write down on our WhatsApp platform. You can convince them at this moment. 0712831172. Box, meal. Box. Otilia says meal. King Naida Mapurisa Chifu says go for slice. Box boys dango slice. I love it, Jimmy. Torai box omana. Torai box omana. Torai box omana. Torai meal omana. Torai meal omana. Torai meal. Which one are you going for? Ngomana rugayo. Bucket or box?
Ukona manje kuti zvipereka.
Ukona inango chokwadi.
Extra large.
Zvipere manje. No men gachu.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, this
is what I'm going to do for you. This is your last moment. I'm going to play a countdown for you to make a choice. Within 30 seconds, you have to make a choice now. Let's go.
T-minus 30 seconds.
Make a choice. Make a choice. Time is going. Make a choice. A meal or a box. A meal or a box. Let's see how it goes.
T-minus 20 seconds.
20 seconds to go.
High risk, high return.
Let's go. Check out on the time. 10.
9, 8, 7,
Hachi, ora
6,
chikafu ora.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So we're going for the meal.
We're going for the meal.
We're going for the meal. This has been extra large, and they've decided to go for the meal. And of course, for the meal, let's go on the moment that we've been waiting for. We have to open the box E and see what is in that box. Okay, let's see what's in the box, and we're gonna open the box. Wait. You're going for a meal or the box?
We're going for the meal.
You're going for the meal.
But because we need to see a box and write it for the sake of Jimmy.
Are you going for the meal or the box?
Going for extra.
Zimbabwe, this is the moment for extra large.
So Zimbabwe will see first before them.
Yes, Zimbabwe is gonna see first for you.
What's written, man?
What's written? Oh, again on the camera. Again on the camera.
Written?
Show on the camera and let's see. What is it that they're going to walk away? A meal?
Stand.
Stand. Yeah?
What was it?
Let's see. Are you going for the box or are you going for the meal?
The meal,
The box here. This is what's in your box. That you are Maramba box. This is what's in the box. Congratulations, guys. You've won yourself a bucket case of chicken slice right here on Power FM Zimbabwe. Chicken slice with mega chips.
Ne pizza.
Mega chips.
We don't do Ambassador Shumba. Do this more.
Ambassador Shumba.
Chicken slice.
I love it.
No man rukumpa my leftovers.
Well, guys, thank you so much for coming through.
Tomorrow.
Mangwana na 10 o'clock.
Social media handles edu tobatika papise extra large.
Extra large Maroja, that's Facebook. Extra large Zim, that's Instagram. Extra large Maroja, that's Twitter.
Isusu.
Mimi. Kudara. Chicken slice. I love it.
Chicken slice.
Hey. Paketi riri kupisha. Riri kukonzera rushakara wa measure. Chicken slice. Mapisi 8 kwete zvefake. Mukati mebhaketi riri papiki. Changu chirauro chanonga nyama pandati attack. Chicken slice. Jamaica sense. Chicken slice ndo evidence. Rapida pacha panzi pari tense. Uyai muone majenzi. Paketi mziro razunguza. Tatenga ndina chipanguza. Riri kupisa iri riri hot. Chiuya chipure shot. Iro. Sigi. Ruma. Mta. Munori guta. Nati munori guta. Chicken slice. Ruma. Mta. Munori guta. Nati munori guta.
Chicken slice. I love it. You're tuned in to the